Whoa! Whoa! Holy shit! Holy shit! Whoa! Holy shit! Wow! Scheiße! Scheiße! Wow! Wow! Wow!
Can barely walk.
Обнаружен маломощный радар. Контроль разметки. Ограничение скорости 60 километров в час.
Doing what I do best. 45,000 pounds. Suckers. Leaning. I left the 25-10 at home and I brought home with me. Hopefully we can knock it out. Swing. Better miss. Swing. We'll knock this out in no time, Hulk. I swear I do these way too fast, man. Way too fast. The power of Hulk. Like nothing, man. Woo! And just like that, he's clear. I'm gonna have homeboy pull forward right now. And people say I charge too much. My problem is I work too fast. How am I gonna charge for this?
Video. When the sign says 12 feet, it's a good idea to make sure that your shit ain't 14 feet. This is